My people, on this matter of unknown gunmen, I been unknown men. The governor of Plateau State don't talk say, say making a put full stop for that matter. Say he don't tire to dey hear every day unknown gun this one, unknown gun that one. Say the matter don't tire. So as he be, he don't putting things in place so we go help the police of Plateau to take work well. This governor Simon Lalong, he be like say this one na Indian name and English name mixed together. I never understand. But he talk say he call the IGP, Inspector General of Police, tell him say this whole what did they even call him unknown gunmen matter? Say the matter don't tire him. So now he won't bring in strategy. So whatever the strategy we go bring in, he go provide them these police people with things where they need, everything where they need, and these things where he give them now 50 patrol vehicles and 200 motorcycles. Okada self dey inside. This whole matter it surprised me. But he talk say with them just things, they go fit help them this police, they mobilize well. In case of say they won't pursue them this unknown gunmen, be they won't go pursue them this kind thief. They go know as they want to use their Okada, be their motor to pursue them these people. And they say this man point, it makes sense small be. And he come finalize and say, then this unknown gunmen say they no be spiritual. And me if I support that kind of thing. Spirit no they kill person. Spirit no they kidnap people, they go hide them, they demand for money. So make police work about this whole matter. But I beg go, Mr. Governor. I just say that this unknown gun, I just say I know them. I just say I know them personally. Because then these people come outside. Say make Buhari follow them talk. And in fact, then these people they show them for television. Which person phone that they use, they record all this kind of thing. If not be saying I know them one to one, for them to demand for all these kind of things, it may say they know honor. And I beg this motor and Okada way provide. I not say the thing go even work small. He go try some kind of things, he go do some kind one or two things. But I beg you sure see that this motor then these people really need. Because me I feel say na gun. Now gun then these people need. Because we know say all these bandit and all these gunmen. The gun where they even use, it even pass Nigerian police people gun. Their own guns have even strong past the one when in fact Nigeria own in Aproko and they use to build them. Now wood they take then these people gone. I don't know where they get them from. Where na police they sell them for them, where they go around, I don't know where they see them. So I beg now this one I feel say now be the cocoa of the matter. Not be about Okada and motorway go provide for them these people. Because this one they go just they use and they cruise up and down. They use and pursue women. The work where they use and this way motor do. They don't go do them. Because before if they catch all these kind of people, they get motor now what they use. So this one where you can inaugurate them 200 cars and Okada, I don't understand. The things where then these people really need, you never give them to them. Because we know say police gadgets where they use, they even to make sense. The things where in fact they feel even get gun, bullets no go there inside. Once it come be the essence say person get gun, it means all of us they joke for inside this country now. Everybody they play. But I like as this man come out. This thing really need to stop. This unknown government, it really need to stop because the wahala done too much for inside Naija. Everybody don't tire. Today they don't carry this one. Tomorrow, and these people they say unknown. Then they arrest them and we they see their face. So how come government they talk to all these people where they arrest? So they never pick one person who go show them. So okay, now our organ, our hangout now be this kind of place. And I say all these kind of things, it be like say politics they dey inside. And I say politics they dey inside because if they don't know what thing they really happen, all these people where they arrest, therefore don't go they bust them. But if they arrest one person, now there the matter go end. Police go relax, go sleep. Think and say matter don't close, case don't close, they don't end for there. No be there, they're supposed to use these people where they catch. They go catch the other people. My people, Nigeria, everybody just they crazy. This governor said, I sure say, the time when decide this thing, reason I'm where. They just want to use and say, give them all these officials motor and Okada, so that them say they go do okay. Maybe I they sure say na transport money na they cost for them. I make they come decide say, make we give them Okada to reduce cost. Because I know sure say na because of unknown government, now I decide say, I won't launch this kind of thing. I'm not sure at all. My people are here this one. I can't say make I bring and come for now. Making ourselves using our ear. Hear what happen inside Plateau State. Anything in a few, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go they see what they happen as we they giving her this gist as it they hot. Make not forget to share this video at the talker now. Make not forget to share them. I go see you now for the next video.